A good chest mount not only keeps your camera steady and hands-free, but also provides a natural, immersive perspective that enhances your storytelling. We dive into the 3 best chest mounts for the Insta360 X5.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Sruim Chest Mount. The Sruim Chest Mount is a favorite among action enthusiasts looking for a combination of affordability, comfort, and performance. Designed with adjustable elastic straps and a central buckle system, this mount fits securely on users of various sizes. High-quality, highly elastic nylon is used to make the chest strap. All adult sizes may be accommodated by the 5-section adjustable buckle, which is adjustable in length. The buckle design is situated at the waist, making it simple to wear and quick to install. Ideal for adventure sports, off-road motorbikes, water sports, cycling, mountaineering, and skiing. With this ability to free your hand and maintain steady shooting, this chest mount harness is the perfect tool for producing high-quality vlogs and POV videos in the first person. This kit includes a tiny wrench for holding the chest strap. If you're new to chest mounting or looking for a reliable entry-level solution for action-packed content, the Sruim chest mount is a practical and dependable choice. On number 2, we have BRDRC Chest Mount. If you're a content creator who values flexibility and expanded functionality, the BRDRC chest mount is your go-to option. The chest strap is lightweight, breathable, and adjustable in length to fit all body shapes. It is made of nylon elastic webbing. Even with gloves on, the unique quick-release magnetic buckle design makes it simple to put on and take off in only 1 second. Ideal for capturing thrilling moments throughout your activities, this device may be used to take amazing films and pictures when bicycling, hiking, skiing, mountain biking, motocross, surfing, and more. Unlike handheld or helmet-mounted cameras, the camera stabilizes video when mounted on your chest. Your upper body's inherent stabilization makes for smoother video recordings, which are perfect for high-motion activities. Whether you're shooting YouTube vlogs, travel documentaries, or adventure sports, the BRDRC chest mount's added versatility gives you the freedom to adapt your gear setup without sacrificing comfort or performance. On number 3, we have Fotoleey Chest Mount. For creators who spend long hours on the trail, the Fotoleey Chest Mount offers the ultimate in utility and comfort. More than just a camera harness, it doubles as a lightweight running vest with multiple compartments. The action camera package comes with a selfie stick, a camera headband attachment, and a chest mount. The chest mount and head strap are pleasant and adjustable. They are composed of soft elastic microfiber and nylon. This sturdy metal selfie stick has a 23 to 114 centimeters extension, has a quick-release camera clasp that makes mounting your camera simple. For outdoor activities like cycling, climbing, traveling, trekking, and skating, chest and head supports are ideal. Though you'll want to ensure the Insta360 X5 is properly secured with a compatible mount or adapter, once fitted, the setup stays steady and balanced. If you're hiking, cycling, or filming on-the-go content for extended periods, the Fotoleey chest mount delivers comfort, convenience, and functionality in one package. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.